Welcome to CSS Day 7. Today we're going to learn one of the most important CSS skills, Flexbox, modern layout system. Flexbox helps to create responsive layout, navigation bar, card, center element, professional website section. These days, modern website uses Flex everywhere. So this layout system helps for arranging item in row and columns. As you can see here on this website of ours, here we have navigation bar, our logo, and these links. This Flexbox, this body, which are made by cards or Flexbox, the content, and this footer is also layout. So let's just start. We are going to start seeing how these Flexbox properties used, and also how we can use it to make our website look more beautiful or designing it. So this is the output we have here. This is HTML codes. Here we have three divs, which are box 1, 2, and 3, and this is the container. Let's start with just content. We jump here on CSS file. We have used the margin. Top is 0 and left and right is auto. Then font size, font family, you can see it's on sans serif. Then here we have also used the classes. Here we have the boxes to make our box rectangle or be able to see them, so that we can design what you are seeing in good way. So just content controls the horizontal alignment, but at the let's first see how we activate this. We first come here on container class. We say display, then flex. You can see it has already now making just online, so horizontally, so that you can see it very well. And this is going to take us to start checking how just content work. We have flex start. It is on left side. Then if we go to end, it has to just jump to the end of the web page. And we also have center. That's how it works. It has now take the whole content or container in the middle. And we also have another one, that value of space between. You can see it has created this some space between these boxes or between these divs. We also has another equals around, space around. It has created space around at the end and even in the middle of each box. Lastly, we also have here even also increases some spaces from right and left, while around it focuses on between here. As you can see, just do it again. You can see here it has created somehow a big space or big gap between this box. So let's just go on, and we see how we can use another property called align items. Just use align items, say align items, and we set with flex. Let's clear this flex. This one, then be able to see. Whoa, just want to use this head, maybe 100. Yes, this one. Yep, this start. And I just want to use this one. You can see that it at the end flex item 90 has pushed it down. And when we also use center, sorry, it is going to, yep, you can see that's how it arranges all places according to where we want it, or where we want the content to be, and it helps in different ways. And another thing is also very nice because you see it can somehow stretch it, though it also has the value also called a stretch, which is also because which can also try to stretch these boxes, as you can see. Now, let's jump into let's check this. Yes, put in the middle. Then let's also jump to the flex direction. Flex direction. Well, we have property called this flex direction. It control directions. It's just use here row. You can see it is by default row. But again, and you can use column. You can see how it can arrange them on column. And that's how it works. And let's just this one, just move it, and space around it. Just use center. Then I want to add another flex property called gap. We used to add some gap. You say maybe 20 pixels. Can also see how it has created some gap. And last one here, we also have another one called flex wrap. Flex wrap. It allows item to move it to the next line. Flex wrap. Then this is wrap. How does it work? Let's see. You can see that it wraps up. It wraps up the div, these boxes. Let's just to see it very well. Just to add 200 pixels here, and when you try to see this, you can see that it wraps up all this in the what we call, where we can call like mobile view. See it. So that's how this property works. This flex box. Now I just want to jump on this so that we can just rush very quickly. I have created this. We have two actually files, CSS and HTML. This is the one which we have here. This the project. The project now we are going to start this one. I want to do quickly. We have here navigation bar logo, and we also have this link. We have the container here, which is boxes, and the box inside the classes. Then we have the content and footer. Let's just jump to style this. It is now very easy. we are going to start targeting body, and body we just use a margin of 0 and auto on top and 0 top and bottom, then auto left and right. Then you just want to use font family of this area. I can just do like this. I can even remove this, or I can even leave it there. It's fine. Since it's okay, I'm just want to do this little bit. Yep. Again, I want to. Yep. What is it? It's not coming. View. Why is it not? Yep. Good. Then we have Navbar, which had to display flex. And just content has to be space between. You can see it here. I just want to make us again this little bit, and align item center and background. Background color of 17 0C, so 0C 79. Yep. And padding of 0 bottom and top and 20 pixels. Yes. Then we go ahead with this. We type this logo, which is H2. Yeah, it is navigation bar. Navbar H2. Color of FCC 61D. Yep. And also menu of we are not targeting the link or anchor tag. Color has to be white, and text decoration none, margin left of 20 pixels. So this navigation bar we have used just for content. This is the Flexbox. You can see just content, the line item, and we can just go ahead again also using this only on also these boxes. We're going to take these boxes. Which are also just make background color of E8F0FA. Of course, display bflex. You can see it, and justify content also space around to make this space between, and also align item also be center, and height of 7 HV. Also flex direction. Now we are using row, and also flex wrap has also to be wrap, so that you can see that it has started wrapping up. But when you do this, you can see that it is now okay. It is now horizontal as by default. Then padding is 10 pixels too, and that's it for boxes. These boxes, let's just go on again. We use, now we target the only the children, which is the child name, student name, which is the box. Say background light blue. Yes, let's see, light blue, and we give it div width of 250 pixels. We also give it height of 100 pixels, padding of 110 pixels. Just to give it that radius of 5 pixels, and font size of 15 pixels, and text align also to be center. That's it. You can see now how it is working using the Flexbox. We got the content also. Content is justify content center, that is Flexbox. Text align has also to be center. Then background, it is FFEDFA. Oh, I forgot pound sign here, you can see. And yeah, that's it. And let's keep moving at the last one, which is nonetheless just to tag the this paragraph. It is content. Oops, not typing. Content paragraph going to be display, also flex, and also to be flex wrap up. Say wrap up. Then the now last one is gonna be footer, which is also going to also using flex. Actually, we are using flex here a lot so that you can be able to use it in your work very well, and very nice. So now I think that's it, how we have used this, and it has works very well on all the thing we on all our element we have used. So guys, that's how. Let's try to see how it works. You can see it now. All okay. We have this link, this navigation bar, and we have these cards, which is also flex display. Then this content. So if you want to come like this, if you want to try to minimize it, you can see, look, that's how it is working. That is the Flexbox. So guys, that's it. Thank you very much. So see you next on day 8. Please subscribe. Thanks.